Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add automatically and consecutive numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add the automatically number in your Excel sheet. At first, select your cell, then write 1, then press down arrow on your keyboard and go to the next cell and write 2. Then select this multiple cell, click and drag on your mouse. Then we can see here the right corner and there show the cursor plus icon. Now I am select this plus icon and drag on our mouse. We can see we make the number automatically very easily. You can delete any row and the number is automatically filled up. Otherwise you can use another process applying any formula. At first write on your keyboard is equal to, then write row, then start the first bracket and write your cell number. Now we can see the cell number is K1, then in the bracket, then write -1 and press enter, then select the 0 row and drag on your mouse. We can see we show the two method to add automatically number. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.